Let's make my bad boy steak sandwich with extras on jalapeno sourdough. This one ain't for sharing. I've done it again. Thinly slice your red onions and we're going to saute until translucent on a medium heat. We're going to add butter, brown sugar and distilled vinegar. And your onions are ready when they resemble your favourite browning. Look, we're going to make compound butter with black pepper, salt, coriander, parsley, cayenne and paprika. I blended it but it didn't taste right, so I added more coriander and parsley, a bit more cayenne, and it was set good like me. I call this one the slapdash salsa. So of course I slapdash some rosemary, parsley, coriander, black pepper, olive oil, salt and garlic in a container. I blitz it and I blend it. It was a bit runny, so I added more avocado and it was ready. I was feeling real simple on the seasoning, so I went in with McCormick's brown sugar bourbon seasoning, and in a searing hot skillet I cooked the steak until it was medium rare, but you can cook it to your liking. Anyways, baste your steak, that's with butter, and then I added some smokehouse maple seasoning, and we're gonna baste this steak until it's moist. And listen, not even Sizzler could sizzle like this steak. War. My steak was well rested for nearly 5 minutes, so I was ready to cut into it. And then I used my compound butter. I slathered it on that sourdough bread, topped it with the steak, my slapdash salsa verde. How can I forget? I added cheese, romaine, lettuce. It also had the caramelized onions, but I forgot, so dashed those in there as well. Sriracha mayo, and then we put the lid on the sandwich. Really one for the books. Listen, I make simple, easy, banging food, and this sandwich was banging.